Hey guys, welcome back to our craft video. So today we'll be making this beautiful cycle using the paper cups. So first we will cut out a circle from the paper cup, make a hole in between to make the wheels. After we will take the straw and put the glue on it to stick it to the wheels. Now we will make its body, we will make its seats, join this and then we will stick its handle and your cycle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take the paper strips like this of yellow and green color. Then we will fix it into each other as shown in the video. Now we will collect the paper strips together and staple it as shown in the video. After you are done with this, we will do it for all the sides. Now we will join it at the top as shown in the video and your boat will be ready. Next, we will make a beautiful art and craft. First, we will cut out the shapes like this. Now, we will take a paper strip of green color, make a spring out of it, stick it, and your toys are ready. Next, we will take a paper cup and cut the strips like this. Now, flatten it. Next, we will cut the alternative strips like this. Now, we will fold it from the ends. Now we will take a straw, cut it as shown in the video, put it in the between. Now put it inside a paper cup and your garbage catcher is ready.